No, probably not. So zen. So very zen. Come back, Rag! Come back! Bag's coming off. She means business.
What did you say? Niagara Falls? Yeah, not quite, is it?
Yeah, it's not quite the same, is it?
Lumsdale.
It's still amazing though. I'm just a bit worried because there's a tree surgeon right above us.
Is he actually right above you?
Yeah. Yeah, look.
Let's go see.
When you ready, Abby?
Hello.
Hello.
I can't keep up with you going around like that.
Why are we so dark? Is it my screen? Maybe it's my screen.
Oh, hey, getting lighter.
Hey! We're light again.
Welcome to daytime.
It's been daytime all day. Although you won't believe it because the sun's nowhere to be found.
No.
Did you know tree bathing is a thing?
Tree bathing?
Forest bathing. You go out into the forest and you just kind of...
Did you come up with that when you went on your last walk?
No, it's
Is that what you get up to when you vlog?
Yeah, bathing with the... No, it's a real thing. Apparently it's scientific and everything. And the trees give you like... I don't really know, I need to look it up. The trees, the leaves and stuff emit certain things.
Makes sense.
And it just makes you feel happier.
The outdoors makes me feel happy.
Well, there you go. You don't need science, do you?
You don't need to be naked either.
I didn't say you had to be naked. You don't have to be naked to bathe in the trees. What on earth are you doing?
I thought it was going to be that fairy tale thing where they pull the soul out of the stone but it's not coming in. I thought I was going to be like...
King Arthur.
Yeah.
He's not that strong.
No. Oh, we'll have to say we found it.
Yeah, we'll have to find Matlock Rocks on Facebook.
Yeah.
We found your stone!
Woo!
So this ruin here was part of the old cotton mill from the late 1700s. It was completely taken over by the trees. Ace. And Abby's getting photos of rocks. We've got this amazing waterfall here, Abby,
Yeah.
and you're taking a picture of a stone.
With the waterfall in the background.
And Abby's doing arty things. Why are you sticking weird things in trees?
No, right. So the idea is ephemerality.
What does that mean?
Ephemerality means that nothing stays the same. In the end, everything will finish.
What's that got to do with art?
So those, because they're porcelain and they're paper thin, eventually they will just crumble and waste away. So part of my issue with making art is that I'm too precious about it. So this is me pushing the boundaries, going to somewhere new, putting it in somewhere new, and then if they break, if they fall, I've just got to accept it. And that's part of my learning curve as well as like other people's.
or very far away?
I'm not
Small.
that far away, look.
Whoa. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, by the way, this is Abby.
Hi.
We've just been to the waterfalls and it was really, really nice. And we took some pictures there, and Abby had some crazy epiphany moment and suddenly shed all of her worries and woes and fears by letting go of a bit of porcelain in the stream.
Porcelain discs. You'll have to put a link in somewhere, maybe over here, you know, to my Facebook
I'm not very good at
profile.
that, so maybe I'll just put a link in the description.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm a bad video editor.
You're not a very good YouTuber, are you?
No, I'm dreadful. I'm really bad. But yeah, Abby's doing a really cool fancy art project. So we've been sat out there doing some cool stuff with that. I don't really get it, but it looks cool. So
Do you know what? That sounds like art, to be honest.
Yeah,
Don't really get it, but it looks good.
You don't have to, as long as it looks good and feels good, then
Exactly.
that's it, innit? We are officially lost.
Yay!
Reuben. Walk, or a little circular walk.
Yeah, but that's what people say, isn't it? Is that in the woods, if you get lost in the woods, people tend to go circles rather than straight lines. You think you go
like
in a straight
ants.
line. I don't know, is it like ants?
Yeah, ants, when they're lost and they lose their gang, whatever you call it, their colony, they just walk in circles forever until they die.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really sad. And we think we found the quarry. Oh wow, have we found the quarry? What's a quarry?
Quarry is where you get rock and stone.
Oh.
Why? What did you think a quarry was?
I don't know, water.
What?
No.
Well, you was looking at the map and you was like, oh, a quarry.
Yeah, I know
thought
that
that was a sign of, I know what a quarry is.
it's a sign of, I know they're a thing. High on a hill